So I did a demo last weekend for a couple of friends of mine and showed them how to build a Rails application and deploy it up into Heroku. I think it took us about 10, maybe 15 minutes, and we had a site fully functional, up and running, up in the Heroku cloud. So they thought I should turn this into a video, so here we go. So we're going to build a simple Rails application, make a few modifications to it, and then deploy it into the cloud. So let's start here. I'm going to open up a terminal window, and I'm going to change it into my projects folder. And I'm going to create a Rails application by typing in Rails new videocast. And this is going to create a brand new Rails application, which we can then start working from. So let's change into that folder. And actually, let's launch our browser to show that the thing is actually up in Bootstrap. So I'm going to launch the Rails server. Rails S will launch a web server. And then we'll go over here and we'll refresh this page real quick. And actually, there is our running Rails application. Doesn't cost much, doesn't do much, but we've got our basic scaffolding and structure set up. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a a simple customer screen using the built-in Rails scaffolding. So the way you do this is you do Rails generate scaffold, give it a name, so this will be customer, and we're going to add in some fields. We're going to do name, which will be a string, customer type, which will be an integer,
who are you talking to?
And some nodes. And there we go. And now to create that table, we basically have to run a migration. So it builds a migration for us automatically. So we just simply say rake db migrate, and we'll go back over to our browser here and we'll do customers. So there's our list of customers. So let's create a new one. We'll call this one Rodman. We'll make a customer type of 1. This is our first customer. Done. Go back to our list, and there we go. All right, let's stop.